To make this variable work, we need to build an if-then loop, and I've put if touching cake as a sensing option in there. So that could be taken out, it could be changed. I want it to be when touching the sprite that is called cake. If your sprite is called something other than cake, the name of the sprites will appear in there. So whatever name of the sprite you have that you want to react to, you need that name in there. And we're changing our variable. So whichever variable we've picked, we're changing. For me, it's cakes eaten. I'm changing it by 1. That means each time I touch cake, it's worth 1 point. So my variable will increase by 1. I also want the lion to say yummy for 1 second. I don't want him just to say yummy indefinitely. That's why I've got 1 second on there. Again, I put this inside an if-then loop. So it will only activate if that condition is met. Of course, this needs to sit inside a forever loop. So I've got my forever loop over here. It doesn't matter where this if-then loop resides at all. I can put it anywhere in that forever loop. I could put it at the top, I could put it at the bottom, because inside the forever loop, all the if-thens have equal weighting. The only thing I need to avoid is putting it accidentally inside another if-then loop. See how if I put it there, I've actually dropped it inside the right arrow key, press 1, and it's a bit awkward just to pull it out because it clicks to other things. So it's generally easier to aim at the top or the bottom. Aim for the knobbly bit at the bottom of an if-then loop. Take it along, make sure it's inside the jaw. See how I've gone wrong there, and I've clicked it in. You can also tell if it's in right because it will line up perfectly. If it's not incorrectly, it will sort of nestle inside the other if-then loops. So make sure it's in the right place. My little reset code of setting it to 0, that one, because of sequence, it does matter. I need that one to go up towards the top. So I'm going to put that outside my forever loop, right at the top there. So now I've added to my movement loop, I've added 2 variable bits of coding.